Today we're looking at the Anson Calder Bifold Coin Wallet. Stick around. As mentioned, today's wallet is the Anson Calder Bifold Coin Wallet. So let's get into it. Well, Anson Calder wallets, they come in this same type of a box, and it's fine. It's a lovely looking box. Has a magnetic closure here. You can hear that, which is nice. We open this up. It has a wonderful presentation. It's the same kind of cards. They do a lot of donation and philanthropic work, which is good for them. Talks about care of the leather, which is a great French calfskin leather, which we'll talk about. They have this foam insert, and then they customize it to the particular wallet they're selling. In this case, where we've got the bifold coin wallet, take a look at it here. Feels really good as well. Getting made of French calfskin leather. But it is very, very simple. They have their apparently patent pending thumb push right in here, which, you know, once it breaks in is really good for cards, but takes a little while to break in. And you're going, wow, Mark, is that all there is to it? And the answer is yes, and that's all there is to this. It's got 2 pieces of leather, 3 pieces of leather with a nice push here, and the coins kind of go in here. So if you look at the stitching on this, it's done very well. It's reinforced where it needs to be, and we've looked at Anson Calder products in the past. So very simple. If you're looking for simplistic, minimal, this is a great example of that. Now, onto the feature review of the Anson Calder Bifold Coin Wallet. With this particular wallet, there are no features on the exterior. It's this beautiful blue color. I really like this. If we open it up, we see immediately that on the left-hand side, this is a card slot. Card slot that has their quick access thumb push here. Immediate that is the coin slot. Coins enter in here, and due to its close point, its pinch point here at the top, coins will not fall out once it's closed. And when you want to access coins, you can just open it up like that by pinch. Coins come out, and you have access to the coins you put in there. And that's a quick review of the features of the Anson Calder Bifold Coin Wallet. Now onto the coin and cash insertion test. As you saw, I got 2 cards in there and 5 coins, and kind of a big one, a $50 in there. It handled it very well. Again, it's really by design how it works. And if you really want to have a minimalist carry, it's like really 1 card, reasonable is 3. And this leather here will stretch. We know as a French calfskin leather from our carry tests and so forth, this will stretch. So it's made from calfskin leather, as mentioned, from a 16th century French tannery. Yeah, cows. Yeah, fine. It is manufactured in the United States in California. So the leather is made in France, shipped to the U.S. to California, and that's where it's manufactured. It is a veg tan full grain leather, and it has, as we can see, some burnished edges on here, which look quite nice on the top. Handled very well. And it comes in 6 colors in both RFID, I know, and non-RFID. Very good. It's priced at $135. Now that's way too much for something this simple in my mind, but it has been reduced since then, since I purchased it, so it's probably less than that. Now Anson Calder leather does break in quickly, as I mentioned, so beware that if you want the leather to not stretch out too quickly for the cards you put in, then you need to be careful of the number of cards you put in there. So if you are going to settle on 4, don't put in 6 or 8 and expect to be able to go back to 4. You will be disappointed because this will become very loose and cards will be able to slip out. With its specific purpose of coins and a few cards, it has limited usability, really, that you would likely accomplish with some other type of wallet as a carry option. So, but even for a night out, you're not likely to take coins over cash. So you could use this slot here for cash, but it is really meant for coin and a very specific purpose. Now the measurements on this is 3.8 by 2.5 by 0.2. And it measures 21 grams, very, very light. Now, as mentioned, the pricing on this is way beyond reasonable or justifiable for a growing brand in my in my opinion. Now, I love Anson Calder leather quality and how it breaks in and how it develops a wonderful patina. Their attention to detail and quality of materials is really top notch, and they really take a lot of pride in what they do there. Their presentation is obviously 100%. You feel like you're getting what you're paying for there, and the company is an up-and-coming brand. They have great product quality, minimalistic design sense, and great customer service. And they're always adding new, different wallets and different products to their line. Now on to the final score. For quality of 5, price a 1, features a 3, usability a 3, and perception a 5. That gets us a final score of 35 out of 50. Thanks for visiting with us. The rankings are always available to you if you look right up here, and or go to walletopia.info/rankings. I think you'll find a lot of interesting things there and get a good feel for how we've taken care of these wallets over time. Look forward to seeing you again. Thanks, bye.